Today I would like to discuss about that is the relation between the edge length of the cubic unit cell system and radius of the atom, that is lattice point. See, what I am talking is only applicable to the whatever the relation that we are deriving today are only applicable to that is the cubic systems, that is simple cubic system, unit cell, and body centered cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell. Finally, we are deriving the relation between the edge length. You know the meaning of the edge length. And second one is the radius of the atom or radius of that is lattice point. It may be an atom or molecular ion. See, I told you, in the formation of the crystal, the lattice points are very closely packed. That is, some of them are touching each other. You know, in the simple cubic system, that is, the corner atoms are touching. The atoms are touching each other. Corner atoms are touching each other. See, in case of the body-centered unit cell, body-centered unit cell, that is the atoms which are along the body diagonal are touching each other. Corner atom is touching to that is body-centered atom, that is touching to the opposite corner atom along this. And in case of the face centered cubic cell, see, the corner atoms are not touching. Corner atoms are not in contact. That is, the corner atom and face center atom, the opposite corner atom are touching each other. Along the face diagonal, the atoms are touching each other. See, when the two atoms touch each other, this is the two lattice points. The two are touching each other. That means the distance between internuclear distance, the center of this atom, nucleus, center of this atom contains nucleus is present at the center of this one. So this is the distance is between the internuclear distance. When these two are touching, the internuclear distance is equal to that is diameter of the atom. So this is from center to this point or radius. Half of it is the radius. Half of the internuclear distance is the radius. This is here to here is, that is a 2D. Diameter of this plus diameter of this. Internuclear distance is equal to the diameter. Half of the internuclear distance is that is the radius of the atom. For these calculations, assume that we are taking the atomic crystals. Now, what is happening? See, this is the relation. And I told you at the beginning only, we are discussing the only cubic systems. That is, edge length will be same. A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, angle is equal to 90 degrees. First I am taking that is simple cubic system. Simple, that is the cubic. Cubic unit cell. simple cubic unit cell. See in the picture the lengths may not be equal, edge lengths may not be equal, but they are equal. This is A, edge length is A, this is A, this is A, all are A, that's all. A, all edge lengths are A is equal to B is equal to C type. That is, edge lengths are equal. Now, edge lengths are equal, edge length is this one. In the simple cubic system, what are very close? Which atoms are very closer to each other or touching each other? That is, corner atoms are touching each other. See, this is the upper surface. This is the one, this is the second atom, this is the third atom, this is the fourth atom. On this face, there are 4 atoms. That is, this is touching with this is touching with, this is red dot here we have taken is the only nucleus part is taken. That is, this is not taken. Entire, this is not the atom, nucleus of the atom. That is the dot is the representative of the atom at that corner. It is not, the whole atom is not represented. That is, each dot we represent the lattice point, that is there the atom is accommodated. This is for, if I take the word this as 1, this as the 2, this as the 3, this as the 4, labeled like 4, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Atoms, they are physically touching each other. Right? They are physically touching each other. You see, this is a simple cubic system. This is your simple cubic system. That is, this is, these two are touching. You see, these two are touching, these two are touching. All 4 are touching each other. That is a cubic arrangement. So therefore, what happens? This is the center to center. Center to center is, this is the internuclear distance between the internuclear distance between the 2 atoms. This is equal to R part plus R part. R, this and R. This is the R of this is the R of this is the R of this atom, this is the R of this atom. Distance is equal to, internuclear distance is 2R. 2R is equal to, what is the 2R is equal to A, edge length. Edge length in the simple cubic system, that is, edge length is equal to, edge length is equal to 2R, where R is the radius of the atom. R is the radius of the atom. Therefore, R is equal to, that is, A by 2. Edge length by divided by 2 is the, this is the interrelation between the, that is, edge length and atomic radius. Radius of the lattice point in case of the simple cubic system. Therefore, if you know the edge length, from that you can find out the radius of the atom. So this is the simple story of the simple cubic system. So if you come to the now face centered system, this is the face centered. Face centered unit cell, cubic unit cell actually, face centered unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell actually. That is, when you say the cubic system, all edge lengths must be equal. That is, this is A, this is A, this is A. This is A. All are equal. Edge lengths are. See, in the face centered unit cell, the lattice points are present at the 8 corners, as well as they are present at the 8 face centers. The cube will have the 8 face, Cube will have the 6 faces and 6 face centers. This is the one face, this is the face center, this is the second face, this is the face center, This is the third phase. This is the phase center. This is the fourth phase down. This is the phase center. The lattice points are the phase center. This is the phase center back side. This is the phase back phase. This is the phase center, but it is not denoted to avoid our confusion. That is, this is the front phase. It will have its own phase center. So 6 phases, 6 phase centers. This is the case. See, first we should know see, in each plane, in this plane, how many atoms are there? 4 at the corners, 1 at the center of the phase center. So like this, that is there will be I am taking the units, corner points are not, atoms are not touching each other. So this is the case. Corner atoms are not touching. See, these are separated. Corner atoms, 4 corner, 4 bottom atoms, 4. This is the cubic system. At the center, there is another lattice point. It is nothing but this is phase center. It is not the example of phase center, sir. So I do not have no model. So this is these 5 are touching each other. These 2 are not touching. 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 This is touching with this. 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 So that is they are not touching each other. So this atom is touching with this. This atom is touching with this. This is called as this line is called as this is the phase. This is the phase diagonal. That is this is at the center of the phase. Now these are touching each other. This are touching each other. Therefore, phase diagonal is equal to, right? Phase diagonal is equal to this is the from nucleus to this R. This is the 2R radius. 2 into radius R D. This is R. So these are touching. Integrate this thing. This is the atom. This is the atom. This is the atom. This is the center. This is the center. This is the center. The distance is equal to. Distance is the same thing. Distance is equal to that is R part. This is R part. This is R part. Radius. This is R part. So therefore, the phase diagonal is equal to phase diagonal is equal to 4R. This is the 4R. Therefore, phase diagonal is 4R. If you say that this is A, this is B, this is C. Now we can evaluate this is the A. This is not A. It is different. It is a right angle triangle. See, and this is triangle. This is the triangle ABC is. This is triangle ABC is right angle triangle. That is a right angle triangle. Therefore, it is that is now the relation is this is I can draw like this. I can draw like this. I have to find out this distance. The distance is nothing. It is hypotenuse. This is according to Pythagoras theorem. That is this is AB square is equal to this is AC. AC square is equal to AC square is equal to in that relation. In this geometrical diagram, AC square is equal to AB square. This simple relation, that is BC square. This is BC square. This is A, this is A. So now we can have to find out that this is equal to AC is equal to, remember AC is equal to 4R. that is 4 into radius of the atom. Radius of the atom, 2 into radius of the atom, diameter. This is the radius of the atom, 4r. Now if you work out, that is on this, on this if you work out, AC, this is equal to AC square is equal to, this is 4r square is equal to, this is a square, AB is the length is a square plus this is also edge length is a, BC is equal to a, therefore BC square. BC square. BC square is equal to also AC square. That is the 16 r square is equal to 2a square. Right? Now, if you, this is the radius. This is, that is, now from this we can find out that is r square is equal to 2 by 16 into a square. R is equal to, if you take the what R is equal to, radius of the atom is equal to root 2 into a edge length divided by, that is 4. Root of 16 is 4. This is the relation. Or else A is equal to, that is 4r by root 2. 4r by root 2. This is the relation for the face centered cubic structure. What relation? This is the, I told you, R is the radius of the atom. Radius of the atom. A is the edge length. A is the edge length of the atom. This is the, for face centered cubic structure, this is the relation. For face centered cubic structure, relation from the edge length of the unit cell, we can evaluate the, from the edge length of the unit cell, we can evaluate the, this is here, that is R is equal to, right, R, that is radius of the atom is equal to root 2 A, where A is the edge length, by 4. Root 2 into A by 4 is the relation. Right? This is the relation. Ultimate relation for the this one. See, here what you have to understand, these are only applicable to the, if it is a cubic system. In the cubic system only, we are taking the all edge lengths are equal. That is A, all edge lengths are equal. Now this is equal to, that is the square of this hypotenuse. This is the, for right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse. That is Pythagoras theorem is used. Based on the Pythagoras theorem, it is evaluated. This is the face diagonal. Face diagonal is equal to, that is 4r here. So because the three atoms are connected each other, that is r of this, 2r of this, r of this, 4r. This is the relation for the, that is face centered unit cell. If you come to the last one, that is the now this is the body center. See, I would like to show you the yesterday's this thing. Here you see, this is the body centered unit cell. Body centered cubic unit cell. There are many body centered unit cells. Body centered cubic unit cell. I told you these relations are valid only for the cubic unit cells, where edge lengths are A is equal to B is equal to C systems. So now I come to this is body centered unit cell, BCC structure, BCC unit cell. In the BCC unit cell, you see, this is the BCC unit cell. So total lattice points in the BCC unit cell is 4 corner atoms and 1 is at the center of the cube. So pakka 4 plus 1 5. Right? 5 sorry. 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 4 8 the middle, that is the body center. That is the total 9 lattice points. Lattice points are 9. So which are touching? The corner atoms are not touching. The 8 atoms which are forming the cube are not mutually not touching. So in this system, that is in the simple cubic system, corner atoms are touching each other. Edge length is equal to 2r. Whereas here edge length, it has its own edge length. So edge length is not related to the r. Not that the edge length is not equal to the 2r, since they are not touching at all. So which is touching? This corner atom is touching to the, that is a body center atom. If these are touching to the body center atom, there is no relation between these atoms. These are not touching. These are not touching. That is the A by 2 is not the radius of the atom. A by 2 is that is A is greater than that of 2r. A is greater than that of 2r. A is greater than that of 2r. Now what is touching? Now this is touching to this. This is touching to this. That is they have the body diagonal relation. That is here, if you see the diagram, that is this atom, and this atom. These three are this and opposite. The diagonal, body diagonal. Their atoms are in direct contact through body diagonal. This is in the previous case face centered face diagonal relation. This is the body diagonal relation. So that is this is touching to this is touching to. Whole of this is the diameter is D, radius is 2r. This is 2r and its part, that is r part. From here r part. R from this 2r, from this r. Total the distance between this nucleus and this nucleus is, that is nucleus is r, 2r, r, 2r, r, that is 4r. Body diagonal is equal to 4r. 4r is the body diagonal here. So don't see this. Okay, it's alright. This is the relation. Now these are touching each other. The edge length is A. Edge length is A. This is edge length is A. That is, I told you cubic system. I need not tell that is again and again the edge lengths are equal. All edge lengths are equal. Then this is here. What is happening? Actually here, somewhere I draw it. This is the case. See, this is the body diagonal. So now it is, see, nucleus of the central atom, nucleus of the corner atom, nucleus of the corner atom. This is, now this is the relation between the A, B, right, C. Let me write the word A, B, C. So now it is, this is R, this is R, this is R, this is R. This is the diameter of the atom, radius of the atom, radius of the atom. This is the relation between what? So say that this is 1, this is atom 1, body center atom 2, this atom is 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 for your understanding, this is 2, this is 3. Body diagonal. Right? The distance is. Now take the, this is the right angle triangle. Right? It's a triangle, right angle triangle. That is, this is equal to. This is the actually face diagonal, actually for this face, this is the face diagonal. The face diagonal. So now it is same way. This is AC square is equal to AC square is equal to, I am taking this triangle now. This triangle, ABC triangle. This is not the edge. This is not the edge, or this length is not equal to the edge length. This face diagonal, this is body diagonal. A body diagonal is AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus that is BC square. Right? This is the BC square. Now, what is this? This is the A. BC is the A square. BC is the A. Length is A square. What about the AB? AB is not A. What is AB? So this is A, this is A. This is the hypotenuse of the this triangle, right angle triangle. This is the face diagonal. Face diagonal is equal to, you see, face diagonal is equal to, in the previous one, face centered one, face diagonal is equal to, that is A, that is the AC square is equal to, in the previous one, not this AC square, that is equal to, and A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. So that is the hypotenuse of the face diagonal is equal to 2A square. With this is the AB square is equal to, now here in this case, this is the background. AB is equal to, AB square is equal to, that is 2A square. This is not the A. This is the, if this is A, this is A, this is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Therefore, it is equal to 2A square. So this is 2A square. AB square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, it is, or you can say that to reach this point, A, 3A square. That is, this is equal to 2A square. AB square, that is 2A square, right? 3A square, that's and now this is equal to, now plus A, this one, this is 3A square is that is AC square. AC square is equal to 3A square. Now, if that is the case, then what is AC? AC is equal to 4R square. 4R square is equal to 4R square is equal to, that is 3A square. 3A square. That is 16R square is equal to that is 3a square. R is equal to root 3 a by, that is root of 16 is 4. This is the relation between this and this. Therefore, a is equal to, again, a is equal to 4r by root 3. ಇದನ್ನು తీసుకోండి, ಇದನ್ನು తీసుకోండి. This is the ultimate relation between the a and this one. Here one thing, that is this is not the right angle triangle. This is the, you see here, this is the right angle triangle, but its length is not equal to the a. This length is equal to the a. Its length is not equal to the a. Therefore, the length is between the a and b is evaluated from this right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse of the face center. This is the face center. Hypotenuse of the face center. That is, this is equal to, this square of the length is equal to a square plus a square, according to the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, if here, that is AB is equal to, here AB is equal to, from this AB square is equal to, AB square is equal to, that is 2a square. A square into a square, 2a square. This is the length is AB square is equal to 2a square. The same thing I have taken here. Total AC square is equal to, body diagonal is equal, square is equal to 3a square. Therefore, from that we can evaluate that is and 16a r square is equal to 3a square, r is equal to this one. So with this we can evaluate. See, for the body centered cubic structure, simple cubic structure, right? For simple cubic cell, unit cell, that is equal, for this r is equal to, that is a by 2, simple. For body centered, లేకపోతే face center అర్థం, FCC, face center unit cell, cubic unit cell, the r is equal to root 2a by 4. Previous case. And body center cubic unit cell is equal to, r is equal to, that is root 3a by 4. This is the relation, right? Let me write the diagrammatically. That is unit cell. What is the cubic unit cell? Unit cell. Let me put in the this one. And rank of unit cell, second one. Third one is that is relation between the relation between edge length that is A and radius of the atom. Unit cell. Radius of the, not unit cell, radius of lattice point anale, radius of the atom. This is the relation. So let me take the first, that is SCC, simple unit cell. Cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Rank of unit cell, number of atoms average number of atoms or number of atoms that are contributing to the each unit cell is 1. Already chesam manam. Relation is R is equal to A by 2. This is the relation. The second one is the, anywhere you can find this list. That is the next one is the 1. 2 is face centered. Face centered. ఏంటది cubic unit cell. Face centered unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell. The total number rank. So 6 at the faces and 8 at the corners. 1 plus 3, that is 4 is the rank of unit cell. We already discussed. Here R is equal to, this is 2. R is equal to, that is root 2 face centered, root 2 into A by 4. Or other way you can write. Third, body centered. Cubic unit cell. Body centered cubic unit cell. This is rank is 2. That is number of atoms involved in the formation of the each unit cell in average is 2. That is R is equal to root 3 into A by 4. This is the relation between the, for different cubic unit cells, the relation between the radius of the atom or radius of the lattice point and edge length of the cubic unit cell. If you know the edge length of the cubic unit cell, from that you can find out the, that is radius of the atom by taking these things into consideration. So this is the something about this one. I have not taken the, that is for other unit cells we cannot calculate. So there is another thing that is hexagonal this thing. It is not in the syllabus, but I will tell you after, that is completing the close packing structure of the, that is the solids crystal structure, close packing crystal structures. That is, there is a topic, important topic. After discussing that, and I will tell the what, how to evaluate the relation between the edge length and or even in case of the hexagonal close packing structure or hexagonal unit cells. Hexagonal unit cells. Tarvajat. That is the